and welcome back to this mini series to learn how to sit at the desk. So in the previous video I finished with the question how do we not get tired when we are sitting at the desk in front of the computer. So even with good posture and having the body well organized to keep the back safe, even with that, the body gets tired, okay? So the body gets tired whether you are not in good posture, hinged, but when you are not in good posture and hinged, not only you are getting tired a bit quicker, you are also damaging the back and the discs. So it's not a good idea to be there. But when you know and understand how to organize your body safely, you also will get tired, okay? And that is because the body is not designed to sit for hours on end. So at some point, even with the body well organized, in good posture, at some point the body is going to start fidgeting and sending you signals that it's enough, okay? So you have to listen to those signals, and what we can do is to stand up, go for a walk, and then come back. There is no magical recipe to help us to not get tired, because as I said, the body is not designed to sit down for too long. So I personally could be here for about, say, 15 minutes, and after that my body will start telling me that it's enough. And what I do, I go out, I stand up, I go for a walk, and then I come back, okay? So this is what you need to do. When you start receiving those signals, you have to get up, go for a walk, and come back. Now, if you can't get up and go for a walk, if you are in middle of something, then what you can do is to stand. And if you don't have a standing desk, you can find books or have books on the side, a pile of books to help you to elevate your computer. Or, as I have here, a shoebox. You can have a shoebox ready under your desk, or wherever you want, or a few books, a pile of books already ready there or under the desk, for whenever you feel that your body had enough from sitting, you can stand up and carry on sitting for a little bit longer if you can't give yourself a break for some reason, okay? So this is what you can do. So if you don't have a standing desk, get a pile of books, get a shoebox to make your standing desk. So there's always things you can do. So this is what I wanted to cover in this video, is that in order to not get tired or not feeling those aches and pains that we get from sitting too much, we need to stand up and do something with the body. Or do your standing desk and carry on standing there, working standing, okay? So my name is Maria de Souza. I am a posture teacher and coach and educator, and I teach how to go about life with good posture, to keep the back safe, and of course to look good. So all this good stuff that no one ever taught us, and that's why most of the population is in pain with lower back issues, because we are using the body in ways that we shouldn't, that is not designed for. So we need to learn how to use the body correctly to not create all these aches and pains that we do as we go about life. So I'll be back with another video to finalize this mini series of how to sit at the desk. So I'll bring you a few more tips. So I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye now.